Go.
Alright, now it's Generation 4. This one's kind of messed up, so I'll open this one first.
That makes sense. Let's just separate them. See if
I mean, if I pull out a roach, I'll be pretty happy.
Wow, Jesus, really?
Alright, there you go. Oh!
Wind up Zenmeister.
You want Zen mains, don't you?
He's like $60 right now, isn't
Oh
he?
shit, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, that's bullshit.
I need that. Hopefully we pull it out. Alright.
Oh shit.
Pray to God we do.
Garbage.
This one.
That one?
The last one.
Are you gonna make that the last one? Alright. Remember, he has luck with this pack.
She's just baby singing like.
Ooh, got it!
Alright, calm down. Put your pants on.
Hey man.
Let's keep your pants on, but okay.
What? It revives the level 4 lower monster from the
Use it
other
with
pack.
rabbit.
Rabbit?
You'll be hunting rabbits.
Oh yeah, I thought you said pull a rabbit. I'm like,
No. You
Really?
use it with the rest.
You're gonna be hunting rabbits.
How do you pull out a rabbit?
Did you pull out a rabbit?
Over here.
That is gonna be hilarious. How did this happen?
Two up rabbit. Konami sick fucked up.
lame. Just a big dog.
Oh, you haven't seen that one, right? It was what was it? Someone pulled a Zen Mint and I think it was not a Sign Master in I think Extreme Victory.
Yeah, then someone messed up with that.
Yeah, but he had it before the pack came out, which was odd.
Yeah. Oh, already. Somebody's phone is vibrating.
What? Just pray.
Don't answer it. We're making a video. Call back right now.
We're gonna do this one next. Follow by this one.
Super crash bug. Which one?
Follow by this one. That one. Order, and then this one, and then the one little orange.
I think that's not too bad. He has one. So.
Alright.
Could I get one of these?
I feel like opening one.
Bright future.
Blow on it for good luck.
He blew on me for good luck.
Ah! Nothing?
There's 2 more packs left.
I think it was the one little urban.
His pack usually gives you shit, doesn't it?
What?
Except for that.
Yeah. Alright. Last, but hopefully not
No,
least.
there's one more.
Oh, never mind. Confusing me.
You can easily run away with it. That pack little urban has looks buff.
Looks buff.
It's buff. And it's angry. It's angry.
It works.
All roaches.
Oh, first one's not a hollow.
It's a hollow. Super crash bug.
It's a garbage.
Oh wow,
hollow.
so all I pulled out, it's not bad, out of 12.
The
So like 1 out of every 3 had a hollow.
Levier?
So I
That
pulled
could've made
out
up for like 2
2
cents.
super crash bugs, Wind Up Zion Master, and Leviar the Sea Dragon. Coming up next, booster box opening.
No mames.
Alright,
I'm already up.